Hello， 大家好，欢迎来到我的频道。Today, our main task is about how to ask for questions. That's the basic interrogative sentence. In Chinese, 简单的疑问句。Sometimes a good conversation is beginning with asking for questions. When we learn HSK level 1, or just begin to learn Chinese. In this period, some words or the sentence structures are not very difficult. But there are the foundation for you to learn more complex sentence structures in the future. Today, let's see some basic interrogative sentence. I think after watching today's video, you will use the interrogative sentence properly and know how to ask for a question. Let's see them. First of all, we should know the word order. In English grammar, we have the general questions and the special question, right? No matter for what question structure, we need to put the auxiliary verbs or the modal verbs or the link verbs in front of the subject to help us to ask for a question. English grammar says that, like, is this your book? Where is your book? Something like this. If we say this, we will know, that's interrogative sentence. But in Chinese, we don't need to put the auxiliary verbs first. We can just follow the declarative sentence order to ask for a question. For example, 你的书呢?你的书呢? Follow the word orders as the declarative sentence. So that's the difference between English grammar and Chinese grammar. Besides that, we have known the word orders. We need to know more interrogative words. They are important. It's because that next time we will use these words to ask for a question. Let's see them. Number 1 is ma or ne. They are interrogative particles. Usually are added at the end of the declarative sentence to ask for a question. 也就是什么什么 ma, 什么什么 ne. Ma and ne here are pronounced as a neutral tone. For example, 你是学生吗? 你是学生吗? means are you students? Next, 我是中国人，你呢? 我是中国人，你呢? means I'm Chinese and you? 我的包呢? 我的包呢? means where is my bag? But attention here, sometimes only a noun and ne or ma can express the meaning of the whole sentence, like 吃吗? 水呢? 狗呢? Very succinct. But this way is more used in a conversation. Have the context first, so that the others can understand you more clearly. The next, there are some common interrogative pronouns that we need to know. I divided it into several parts. The first part is some words like WH words in English. Number 1, 什么?什么 means what in English. 你在干什么 means what are you doing. 你在吃什么 what are you eating. 什么 Number 2 is 谁 谁 means who. Who are you in English. Number 3, 哪 also have 哪儿 哪儿 means where in English. For example, 你在哪儿 Where are you? 哪儿 we have learned before, right? Okay, let's go on. 几 几 can represent for how many, how much. 几个几岁 means how old are you? 几点 what time is it? 今天星期几 When we learn how to express the time in Chinese, we have mentioned this Chinese character 几, right? So 几 can appear in the interrogative sentence. Let's go on. The second part is the structure of 多. 多. The basic structure is 多 and adjective, like 多少, 多大, something like this. 多 and adjective words. For example, 你多大 means how old are you? Here, 多大 and 几岁. Both of them can be used to ask for an age. So, different ways to show the same meaning. The third part is 怎么? If you cannot understand this word clearly, I think it's just like how to do something, asking for a way to do something. The grammar structure is 怎么 and verb. 怎么 like 怎么做, 怎么说, 怎么吃, 怎么买, something like this. 怎么 and verb means how to do something. For example, 这个问题该怎么回答 means how to answer this question. Besides that, 怎么 can also be used to ask for reason. For example, 你怎么哭了? 你怎么哭了 means why are you crying? 你怎么不开心 means why are you unhappy? The last one is 怎么样 means how about something. How is the things going on? For example, 这本书怎么样 means how about this book? 项目进展得怎么样了 means how this program is going on. So, these are what we need to learn about the interrogative sentence today. Know the interrogative sentence order first, and then remember some common interrogative pronouns, and add them into the sentences. Practice makes perfect. I believe that you can have a good command of them. Alright, today our videos is coming to an end. See you next time. Bye bye.